Number 1. Red wine. Wine lovers rejoice! You can now have a nightly glass of Malbec, Cabernet Sauvignon, Pinot Noir, or whatever your red wine of choice is as approved by doctors. In fact, drinking a glass of red wine every day might help you live beyond your golden years. But of course, it has to be red wine, not any other alcoholic drink, or other wine varieties for that matter. Of all alcoholic beverages, red wine is the healthiest option because of its antioxidant properties and remarkable nutrient profile. Among them is resveratrol, which aids in slowing down cellular aging and improving vascular health. Moreover, research shows that eating flavonoids, which are a group of bioactive antioxidants, have been closely linked to longevity, primarily due to the reduced risk of heart disease. Still, you shouldn't drink yourself into oblivion. Moderate drinking must always be observed. The recommended intake is no more than 1 4-ounce glass of wine a day for women and 2 glasses for men. Number 2. Green tea. Another longevity drink that tops the list is the classic green tea. Not exactly the tastiest, nonetheless, this drink is widely popular because of its multitude of nutrients. First of all, it contains caffeine, which is good stuff, as it's associated with lower rates of diabetes, Parkinson's, and heart diseases, and sharper focus. Second, green tea leaves are packed with catechins. These natural bioactive chemicals starve cancers by cutting off their blood supply, all the while boosting your metabolism, lowering your blood pressure, and stimulating stem cells to regenerate your organs. All those things result in increased life expectancy and reduced mortality. Furthermore, along with caffeine and catechins, this beverage also has the amino acid L-theanine, which assists in protecting the brain. Thus, considering all those benefits, you should seriously think about drinking at least a cup of green tea daily. Just one friendly reminder though, avoid drinking it in the afternoon, especially if you're sensitive to caffeine, as it may disrupt your sleep. Speaking of tea, have you heard of kombucha? It's a beverage made from tea that offers pretty much the same general health benefits as green tea and other herbal teas. Discover more about kombucha here. Number 3. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented green or black tea drink. Because of this, it has several similar benefits to green tea and black tea. One of these is the antioxidant benefits of polyphenols. However, in this case, kombucha has a slight advantage. As it is a fermented drink, it contains probiotics, which are friendly bacteria known to support gut health. This is great because a healthy gut promotes better overall physical health. In fact, it was reported that a balanced microbiome equals a stronger immune system. Kombucha also supplies vitamins like C and vitamin B6. Additionally, this fermented tea is rich in acetic acid, which boasts antimicrobial properties. Put simply, it can destroy harmful bacteria in the body. When buying a kombucha, opt for one that's made only with tea leaves, water, SCOBY, and a small amount of sugar.